Were you thinking of buying a home warranty for your home, but not sure of its validity? We are going to discuss these things and more now. If you are buying a home warranty online somewhere, be sure to ask the warranty company for the actual terms of your specific contract. What do I mean? If you've ever shopped for a warranty online, you will see they will sometimes show you a sample contract. Keep in mind this is a sample, and depending on your state or other factors, the actual terms that are on your contract after checkout may be different. Some warranty companies have to do this because of licensing laws, insurance laws, and etc. Therefore, be sure to do your due diligence and get a copy of the actual contract for your specific state and coverage type. If you'd like to learn more about home membership, our home warranty coverages, and member benefits, please leave me a comment below and I will reach out to you direct. Or feel free to click on the links below for more information. Thank you from your home membership family.